Okay, what I have is a Mclane Edger. What it was doing was this. It's a 2 horsepower motor. It would run, I'd have to run it more and more with the choke on. Anything back, it would slow it down. And if I brought it too far back, it would just die. Anyway, what happened, I'd always change the oil in this and I'd check the air filter, so all that was good. When it was running, I took off the air filter. That did not make any difference. Took the plug out, checked the spark. There was spark. Anyway, I thought, you know what, I'll just take it to a shop. What it turned out to be was several things. There's a vein in here, like a little vein that moves. That somehow got bent, and they replaced it and adjusted it, tightened the 2 bolts on the carburetor. They were loose, and all the head bolts were loose too. They took out the plug, re-gapped the plug, cleaned it, re-gapped the plug, put it back in. So, and now the thing works great. I mean, you know, I never would have thought about the air vane in here being damaged. I thought it was the carburetor bolts, but you know what? They found the head bolts were loose, and you know what? It was worth the money just to have them fix it. $35, now the thing runs great. So, it's a lot cheaper than buying a new one, but that's my experience because it would run with the choke on, and it turned out to be several things. But I'd always change the oil in it, so make sure you always do that, 30 weight oil, and clean the air filter. And this thing's lasted 33 years so far. So anyway, it's been a good edger. So that's my experience with this. Turned out to be several things. So anyway, not too bad. It works great. Good luck to you.